It was about 5:30 a.m. when I boarded a train for my school. There were two other female teachers who were sitting on the second seat, and they were also going toward their schools. There was a child about 9 to 10 years old. He was sitting with these teachers, and I was thinking that he is the son of this teacher and he is going along with them. But after some while, he started collecting fare, he started managing passenger, and when he starting this, I came to know that he is responsible than me. His shoulders are heavier than me. The vehicle stops on the next stop for passenger. One passenger enters and sit down with the gate. Because he is responsible to manage the passenger, he tried to go up and to sit with the gate. At that time, the driver stopped the vehicle and slapped the child on his face heavily. The child started crying. No one from the whole passenger, from the complete vehicle, no one asked the driver, why did you do this? This is the behavior which we are transferring to our children. This is the behavior which we are transferring to our future, to our society. How we can expect something better from our children, from our society, from our future with such like behavior which we are giving to them. We are responsible for all that. This was the situation of the school, of the road, and the situation of the schools, our education institutions, our homes are not different. Let me disclose with one story from my school. There was one child in my class. His clothes were not good, they were torn, and they were not clean. The child uniform was also not completed. When the matter was investigated, it was open that the father of the child is the owner of 2 trucks. He was a transporter. He was happily earning. There were no financial issues in their homes, but the issue was that the father was not contributing to their children. He was but his father was not spending on his children. This was the main reason that this child's self-esteem was too low. He usually not speak in the front of the class. He didn't have any friends in the school or in the class. This father was wasting his children. He was wasting the future of his children. This is not the way of parenting. This is not the way how we are bringing our children and how we are contributing to our community. One thing the parent must know is that the children will forget everything, but the one thing which they will remember is that how you feel them, how you make memories with them. If you are feeling the same as we discussed the road, and we discussed one child from our school, how they will remember you, how they will tell your parenting stories to other children, to other parents. So the thing which you have to remember is feel good with them, give them a good and quality time. When I was writing my book, I posted some of its paragraphs, some of its memories on my social media account, and there I noticed that some parents posted their comment that they are earning hardly. They are out of their homes. In such a situation, when they are hardly earning, they are too poor, how they can make memories with their children, how they can give a quality time to their children. out how their children can feel good. The child doesn't know either you are poor or you are rich, and they also don't depend on all these things. The child remember how you feel them, how you give them the quality time. So if you are hardly earning, you can give them a time in the evening. If you are out, you can call them, you can video call them, you can discuss with them their whole day, how they spent the day, how was their schooling, how are their teachers. This will boost up the self-esteem of the child. This will connect you with your children, and when you are connected to your children, they will feel good. They will start sharing everything with you instead of sharing to anyone else. And the one thing that as the child grow, your relationship gets stronger with them, and when your relationship gets stronger with them, this is a happiest thing for the father and the child, because they are connected and they share everything. We have several thousands of examples when the child grow up, their relationship get weaker with their parents, and this is the main reason that they go toward unwanted habits, or we can say the dangerous habits. So to avoid your child from such like habits, from such like bad society or bad environment, you have to connect with them, you have to feel them good, you have to make memories with them.